September 3rd, 1260, in a quiet valley of Palestine, Ain Jalut. Two armies stand face to face. One believes it cannot lose. The other believes this may be its final day. For nearly 60 years, the Mongols tore through the world. From East Asia to Europe, no force ever stopped them. They are led by Kitbuqa, a fearless general of the Great Khan. City after city falls. Victory feels inevitable.
Facing them are the Mamluks of Egypt, taken as children, trained only for war.
Their leader is Sultan Qutuz, a man who rose from slavery to the throne.
The Mongols send a message: surrender or Cairo will burn like Baghdad.
Baghdad was erased, 1 million lives lost. The world still trembles at the name.
Soldiers
Qutuz chooses war. He kills the messengers. There is no turning back. The Mongols fight with speed, precision, and fear. Their arrows darken the sky. But the Mamluks fight as brothers. They stand not for conquest, but for survival. General Baibars prepares a trap, a retreat not of fear, but of purpose. Against all advice, the Sultan rides into battle himself. At dawn, Mongol scouts enter the valley. The Mamluks fall back. The Mongols follow. Then, the horns sound. For the first time in history, the Mongols are surrounded. They fight desperately to break free, but the valley has become a cage.
Qutuz removes his helmet and cries out, "For Islam!"
The Mamluks surged forward with unstoppable force. Kitbuqa falls defiant to the end. By sunset, the Mongol army is destroyed. The world learns a truth it never believed possible. The Mongols can be beaten. Today, Ain Jalut is silent. But here, former slaves made an empire bleed and changed the world forever.